डू यू नो, एक छोटा सा मसाला इतना पावरफुल था कि उसके लिए कंट्रीज ने वॉर लड़ी और उसी मसाले की वजह से दुनिया का पहला स्टॉक मार्केट बना. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ स्पाइस दैट चेंज्ड द वे द वर्ल्ड मेक्स मनी. In the 1600s, Europe was not a safe place to live. Cities were crowded, hygiene was poor, and because of that, deadly diseases spread very quickly. One of the most terrifying was the plague, and people remember this disease as Black Death. At the time, people did not understand much about germs. They had no idea how diseases spread. All they knew was they needed protection, any kind of protection. And that's when something unexpected became very famous across the Europe. A small brown seed. That seed was nutmeg. लोग मानते थे कि नटमेग उन्हें डिसीज से बचा सकता है और इट इम्प्रूव्स हेल्थ. इस डिसीज के अगेंस्ट वो काम करता या नहीं, that did not matter to them. Belief created demand and demand created obsession. लेकिन नटमेग हर जगह ग्रो नहीं होता था. In 1600s, it naturally grew in only one place on earth. That tiny island was the Banda Islands in Indonesia. These islands were small and incredibly difficult to reach, but Europe wanted it desperately, so prices exploded. कभी कभी ऐसा होता था कि a small bag of nutmeg was worth a lot of money. Some traders even earned 3 to 10 times their money from a single journey. So people started calling nutmeg as the gold that grows on trees. Now imagine you are a businessman in Europe in the early 1600s. You see the opportunity, you want that nutmeg. लेकिन उस nutmeg को वहाँ से लाना बहुत बड़ा रिस्क था. The journey of carrying the nutmegs from Indonesia to Europe almost used to take 1 to 2 years, huge ships, enormous amount of money, and they used to face storms and even pirate attacks, and it could end in a total loss. अगर आपका शिप डूब गया तो you lose everything. The spice trade was so profitable and also it was dangerously unpredictable. In this situation, in the 1602, merchants came up with a revolutionary idea. Instead of one person risking everything, what if many people shared that risk? एक ही इंसान सब कुछ रिस्क लेने के बदले में क्यों ना बहुत सारे लोग मिलकर रिस्क बांट ले. अगर शिप डूब गया तो छोटा सा लॉस, शिप वापस आ गया तो सबको प्रॉफिट. सो दे क्रिएटेड अ कंपनी कॉल्ड द डच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. This company did something the world had never seen before. They allowed ordinary people to invest money, own a small part of the company, share the profit, and spread the risk. This simple idea changed everything because for the first time, ordinary people could own a piece of a giant business, and that system became the stock market. And guys, the Dutch did not just wanted profit, they wanted control. Specifically, they wanted a monopoly, meaning they wanted to be the only supplier of nutmeg in the world. Most of the nutmeg trees were in the Banda Islands, but there was one more tiny island called the Run Island. But Dutch had no control on it. Run Island पर ब्रिटिश का कंट्रोल था and it was full of nutmeg trees. So Dutch wanted it badly. तभी कहानी एक इंटरेस्टिंग टर्न लेती है क्योंकि उस वक्त डच के पास नॉर्थ अमेरिका में एक छोटा सा लैंड था जिसे न्यू एम्स्टरडैम कहा जाता था. टुडे वी नो इट एज द न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. उस वक्त वो जगह कुछ खास नहीं थी, ज़्यादा वैल्यूएबल नहीं थी. आफ्टर ईयर्स ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑन रन आइलैंड इन 1667, ब्रिटिश एंड डच मेड एन एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी डील. Dutch gave New Amsterdam to British and British gave Run Island to Dutch. That was called the Treaty of Breda. उस वक्त डच को लगा कि दे हैड वन अ बेटर डील क्योंकि नटमेग वॉज मोर वैल्यूएबल टू देम दैन अ लैंड इन अमेरिका. लेकिन वक्त बदल गया. नटमेग की वैल्यू गिर गई और लैंड की वैल्यू बढ़ गई और आज वो लैंड बन चुकी है द न्यूयॉर्क सिटी. The real lesson behind this was the stock market was not invented for trading stocks. It was invented to solve a real world problem. How do you fund the massive risky ventures without risking everything? The answer was simple. Share the risk, share the reward. And that simple idea built the modern financial system and became the blueprint for modern investing. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more such informative videos.